Good morning, everyone. I am Ms. B. Sangeethapriya from the Department of CSE IoT, working in SNS College of Engineering. Today, we are going to see. Good morning, everyone. I am Ms. B. Sangeethapriya from the Department of CSE IoT, working in SNS College of Technology. Today, we are going to see about system call. As in previous video we discussed, the system call is the user program that cannot directly access the hardware such as CPU, memory, disk or input-output device. If direct access were allowed, the system could become unsafe, unstable and insecure. To solve this problem, the operating system provides system call. A system call is a controlled interface that allows the user program to request the service from operating system. It acts as a bridge between the user program and the operating system kernel. Why are system calls are needed? The system calls are needed for the following reasons: to protect system reasons from unauthorized access, to ensure the secure execution of programs, to provide control access to the hardware device, and next one is to maintain the stability and the reliability. Without system call, a faculty program could crash the entire operating system. Next, how does the system call works? An user program makes a request such as read a file. The user program calls the library function, for example fopen in C, and the library function initially invokes the system call like open. The CPU switches from user mode to kernel mode. The kernel performs the request operation. The result is retained to the user program. The CPU switchbacks to the user mode. This process ensures the security and controlled access to the system resource. The types of system calls. It provides related to the kind of operations that the user program can perform, like creation, termination, forking, moving communication, etc. The similar types of operations are grouped into one single system call category. The system calls are classified into following categories: the file system, that is opening the file. File system, that is open a file. Read is reads the data from the file. Write is write a data to a file. Next one is a close, the close a file. Seek is the moving the file operators. And the next one is the process control. The process control is used to manage a process. That is, if we are giving a command as a fork, it creates a child process. X replace the current process with a new program. Next one is wait, that is the parent wait for a child to finish. Next one is the exist, terminate a process. Next one is a kill, sends a signal to the process. Next one is the memory management. In memory management, BRK and SBRK is to adjust the heap size. mmap is to map the file or device into memory. munmap is removing a memory mapping. mlock or numlock is then lock and unlocks the memory pages. Next one is the intercommunication. Intercommunication is the pipe that creates the one-way communication between the process, and next one is the socket, communication over the network. Adjustment is a shared memory allocation. Next one is the semaphore creation, and the last one is the message queue operations. The another one is device management. The device management is an open and close, that is open or close the devices. Read and write performs IO operations. Read console performs the input. Write console writes output to the console. They hide the hardware complexity from the user. Then the purpose of system call is create and manage files, read and write the data, create and control the process, manage memory, communication between the process, access hardware device safely, is the foundation of an operating system functionally. Then what the user mode and the kernel mode in the system call is: the user mode is where normal user program execute has a limited access to the system resources. And the next one is the kernel mode, where the operating system executes has full access to hardware and the system resource. System calls allows a safe transmission from the user mode to the kernel mode. Hope you all understand in this video. Thank you.